Hi, welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to show you a quick and simple pasta dish for babies. That's right, grandmothers all over the world, I'm certain, have made pastina. Pastina for the little babies when they're not feeling well or just perhaps to cheer them up. It's a super easy, super healthy dish to make in under 10 minutes. Grab your trusty wooden spoon while I show you how to make pastina for the babies. Welcome back into our kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pastina. Let's start with a 1 pound box of good quality, slow-dried Acini de Pepe, the Italian word for pastina. I empty the box and run my fingers through the small bits of tiny pasta, just to be certain all is good to go. I then bring 1 gallon of water to a rolling boil, and as you can see, I'm going to add a good quality heaping tablespoon of salt to the water, and then I will add our pastina in 2 stages. With my trusty wooden spoon, I will stir the pastina through the salt and the water. It's important to note here that the Acini de Pepe boils for 9 minutes. Now, this technique that you're about to see, grandmother taught me. Grab the trusty wooden spoon, a stainless steel slotted spoon, and together you want to lift the pastina and release any clumps that may appear. Ever so gently, noticing the clump and just using that spoon to knock away the clump and forming each individual pastina, because that truly makes the dish. Okay, now I'm going to let my pasta boil through and finish. After the pasta has sufficiently boiled, I'm going to drain away all the water and shake away any remains. You can see here that I have no clumps. I'm going to transfer now the pastina to a large glass mixing bowl, and it's piping hot. I'll allow it to sit for about a minute or 2. You can see how just beautifully it's cooked off. Now I will add the remaining ingredients, which are 1 tablespoon of good quality butter and a 1/4 cup of whole milk. If the baby has allergies, and it is certainly okay to use plant-based butter or almond milk or even infant formula. Okay, that was a quick and easy recipe. So let me bring that up close so that you can see the finished pastina. You can see all the little bits and just how nicely they don't stick together, and that little tiny bit of butter and the whole milk really adds a nice flavor and that warming sensation. Pastina is typically served to babies between 7 and 10 months, or that's the first time that you would serve it. However, pastina is served long after that. This pastina can also be served to the big babies in your house as well. Here's to us. So tender and soft. I wanted to take a moment and say many, many thanks for watching today's cooking show. If you haven't subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Well, until we meet again, here's to the babies or the bambini in your lives. Chindan. Bravo, arrivederci, perfetto. Acini di Pepe, pastina, mangia. Until we meet again, from my kitchen to yours, bye.